This video will show you how to replace the earpads of Sony MDR-1AM2 headphones. First, take off your old earpad. Second, cut off the plastic ring part from your old pad. Third, downward, after installing on the headphone. Fourth, check the inner earpad black color for the left, red for the right. The stitching should be downward after installing. Fifth, insert the plastic part into the new earpad. Sixth, align the mount/tab to the speaker. Seventh, press for several times to make sure the earpad's stable on the speaker.